I'm Michael Barbera, Chief Product Officer for Iress, Head of Global Trading and Market Data. Predominantly, my focus is around capital markets, so servicing the buy side and the sell side, ensuring that we've got feature-rich market data and a frictionless order execution order management systems. I'm a keen advocate of interoperability, especially how FTC3 has matured over the past 5 years in particular. I see that as similar to how Fix community came together about 25 years ago, and we're trying to now do the same thing via interoperability across that whole desktop ecosystem. We're building this ecosystem powered by Interoperability, providing that seamless, frictionless desktop interaction across Iress applications, third-party applications, and client-owned IP. So we went through a pretty strict and rigorous due diligence process. The key call out to me was how forward-thinking Interoperability were, in particular the zero install application, the browser connect application for where Iress is going, but also the specialism that Interoperability provided during those workshops, coming over to Melbourne, working with our engineers, really working with the engineering team, supporting them. And by the end of that 5-day process, actually seeing something tangible, not a proof of concept, and I could actually go into production the following week across some of our older legacy applications, so to speak, with the new generation web apps that we're working towards. Clients are already talking about interoperability. They have 15 different applications residing on their desktop. So the big projects we got at the moment is deprecating a number of legacy applications, at the same time investing in a brand new backend cloud native powered by AWS, so we can deploy that into multiple jurisdictions, with Interoperability providing buy elements whereby we can utilize central notification engines, the IO data insights, the multi-monitor support, all the core fundamentals you need to build a product I can get straight off the shelf, allowing our engineers to really focus on their unique selling propositions that we need them to be focusing on. Putting off investing or partnering with Interoperability, you are going to snooze, and desperately snooze on this one. The industry is moving at pace. You can go away and build this all yourself, or you can partner with a proven track record technology partners. We see our Interoperability at the moment to help accelerate your build and ensure you're not left behind.